What is going on with Aave protocol? In this video, we're going to have an Aave price prediction, and we're also going to have an update on Bitcoin. If this monthly close may be very shocking for everybody out there. So more about Aave and Bitcoin in this video. So before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. Diving right into it, Aave. Look at Aave right here at $294. Current market cap of 3.6 billion dollars right there. Bam! Look at it coming in hot. Ranking what it's I believe it's like number 4. It's number 15 on CoinGecko. Coming in hot like there. Got a lot going on. We're gonna check out the max supply of 16 million. Circulating supply is currently around 12.3 million. So there's some more to come out. But hey, I'm sure they're not going to dump on all the holders out there. Keep in mind there's a fully diluted valuation of about $4.7 billion. And there's a total value locked up of 2.5 billion. So we're just going to scroll down and see like where you can get it, what it's all about. And all-time high is $298 on January 7th, 2021. That was yesterday, only 15 hours ago. It's like, wow. I mean, that right there is pretty cool. So once again, remember with Uniswap, Chainlink, what do? They make all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. That's what we call the bull market. So that right there is exciting. And of course, this is on Coinbase. It's also on many other exchanges, Binance, HipBTC, Kraken. But if you use Coinbase, check out Coinbase. You can easily buy it there. Just heading over to check out their website for one quick sec before we check out the charts. Just says the liquidity protocol. They have $3.5 billion apparently locked up in their liquidity protocol. It says Aave is an open source and non-custodial liquidity protocol for earning interest on deposits and borrowing assets, because it used to be called ETHLend, so like lending, crypto lending money. So it's pretty cool. You definitely, if you're interested in using it, definitely check out their website. But to the moment, what you're waiting for, we're checking out the actual charts here. What is going on? I mean, look at this. Ever since it broke out, it had some resistance here at like $84. We fell down here, a nice little channel down. Like we had a bull flag going there. Bam, bam, broke out, and bam. I mean, look at this beautiful breakout, just continuing to go up and up, higher and higher. I mean, this is looking great. It's just all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. It's like I said before. You make a higher high, make a higher low, make a higher high and a higher low, and that is what our friend Aave is doing. So how high could I see Aave going in 2021? Are we talking $1,000, maybe $1,500? What about $2,500? Maybe $3,000? How high could I see Aave going? I could easily see Aave hitting $1,000 easily. Within quarter two slash quarter three. Possible 2,000 to 3,000. Maybe a peak of 4,000 Aave Q3 slash Q4 when alt season has the major blow off top. So that's what I see happening with Aave. So what do you think about that? You think we'll see $1,000 Aave? They think we'll see 1,500? What is your expectations from Aave? And do you hodl that good old Aave? Let me know down in the comments below. But of course, everybody also wants to know what's going to happen with Aave right now. When's the best time to buy? And I believe that's a great time to be looking at the Bitcoin chart, because Bitcoin, as you know, we've had some little hiccups. It's like, what's going on with Bitcoin? We've had some little issues. Bitcoin fell down into some crucial support here, at around the $30,000 level. So far, it's holding, which is great to see. But are we going to have further price action to the downside? As we mentioned on the live stream yesterday, there is a CME gap. If you look at the CME chart, there's a gap here from 26,000 all the way down to 24,500. Okay, so basically 24,000, 26. We also have a small gap down here, but that's really small. I doubt that's actually going to get filled. But this is the one right here that we're concerned about. We're concerned about that. So that would put us in a channel something like this. I'm an artist, can't you tell? 22 to 26,000. We'll see if that fills. But so that's the bearish case right there. That's pretty bearish. And when we go back to the chart, I want to show you, just looking back, I wouldn't be surprised to have major support since there's a lot of price action right here. Well, wouldn't be surprised 22.6 to 24,000 will be crucial support. So falling down to 24,000, bouncing off of it would not be surprising at all. That's the bearish case, okay? And yes, this will affect the price of Aave. This will affect the price of a lot of altcoins. And obviously, there's going to be outliers. Aave could be an outlier. You just don't know. So, but we just looked at the bearish case for Bitcoin. What's the bullish case? Because if it's bullish, I mean, Aave is going to, maybe we'll see a $600 Aave this coming week. who knows? The bullish case we got to get rid of this before we get into it. The bullish case for Bitcoin is this bull flag right here. We're forming this bull flag. You know, this nice channel right here. We have one touch, two, three, four. About to hit it again, and hopefully we can break through the next time. If this thing would break out, we just have to do a measured move here. So just go from the very top here. Don't want to click that thing. We'll go like right there. Just got to move this guy. Cool. Measured move right here. So keyboard shortcut approximately right there. So now we do that. Now we take this, and like let's say it's going to break out in a couple of days. So let's say it breaks out of the channel right here. So now we're going to scroll this down. Look at where it tops at. $54,000. $54,000. But let's say it would top out like sooner. Let's say it pops up here. You're talking a $57,000 one right there. Then you're talking, let's say it takes a couple more weeks. Say we bounce back, you know, 54,000. So basically, you're just talking $50,000 to $60,000 if this thing breaks out. I mean, that right there is huge. So just think about it. That right there is huge. But how would we know if this is invalid? How would we know if this would not play out? Well, if this thing would fall down 50% from our flag, like if this would come down 50%, then it's definitely invalid. If this thing breaks the support like down here, definitely invalid, will not work out. Then we're most likely to see what's happening over here. We're going to break down and probably fall down somewhere in this region. Probably hold support like to 22 to 24. So which case do you think is like higher probability? Because, you know, we all know the market's all about probabilities, and with it affecting altcoins, that's definitely something we have to see. I mean, right now, personally, I'm more on the bullish case. I'm like a 60-40, 60% bullish and 40% bearish. Just a friendly reminder, if you want to use this as a trade alert, you only want to buy like when it breaks out. If you see it break out and hold there above a candle, then you want to buy it if you're looking to make a short-term trade. So just keep that in mind. Don't buy now and expect it, because it could end up not working out. But I'm totally 60% bullish on this and 40% bearish. So I definitely can see this thing play out just because we are in, you know, a bull run. And one last thing to see what's going to happen with the market, like what's going to go on. You definitely want to check out this chart right here. You know, it involves Bitcoin on the weekly. So look at this, the NVT and HV, it's still red. On the daily, we did pop that clear color right here. That's very bearish, very bearish. But guess what? The next day was red, which is good. We want to see it on the weekly stay red. HV go up, that means we're going to have some massive gains right there. That means it's going to keep going up. If this would turn white, it's going to go smacking back down. So with 3 days and 10 hours left, you definitely want to stay up to date on this, because this is going to affect the price, you know, of Aave, of all your other favorite altcoins out there. So just keep that in mind. You know, pay attention to that and what's going on. Obviously, there's going to be some outliers. But yeah, so that's my little price prediction, like on Aave. Definitely could easily see it hitting 1,000. Easily 3K is possible this year. Only time will tell for sure, but easily $1,000 in my humble opinion. So what do you think about that prediction? What do you think about Aave? Are you a hodler or are you not? And what's going on with Bitcoin? Are you more bearish or bullish right now? So let me know down in the comments below. And thank you so much for tuning in today. Smash that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe for more content. And the Crypto Homie will catch you in the next one.